Hello everybody, this is Priyamada Azad from Divine Guidance, back to you. Okay, here today I have done the channeling of July energy, and what I have heard very strongly is all that you are feeling is real. You're feeling tired, you're feeling exhausted and restless, and headaches are common now. So the motive of this particular video is this is happening with many. It is not only you who is going through this, it is happening collectively. Okay, so here goes the energy of update of July 2020. I wrote it. Don't get distracted by this thing. If you remember, this is done by my daughter. It's a gift. She has written golden sunrise and those positive words which every day uplifts my energy. So I cannot avoid that. So you don't focus on that, you focus on me. Don't get distracted. Okay. Tiredness and exhaustion due to the rapid ascension happening in the planet. So we are together experiencing this awakening period, and we all have been asked to, firstly accept and do something for yourself. It is kind of compulsory. Make it a priority. Okay, you might have been feeling, I can't take it anymore, I can't do this, I can do that, I'm so really tired. I know that happening with you because I have received many messages from you. Yeah, it's true. Even for myself, I'm unable to do the regular physical exercises. I'm sleeping more and lots of dreams. Okay. Even people who are usually peaceful may have experienced the same. Don't worry, you're not going mad. Remember, this is happening collectively. People around you too are suffering. Okay. Do not judge anyone. Do not blame anyone. Do not feel guilty about yourself as well. And try to be mute as much as possible. It is okay to talk less. It is okay sometimes to say, it's okay, fine, I'll do it for you, for someone else, because this is happening for all of us. So you cannot say that you are just you are the only one who is experiencing. No, we all are going through it. So we must respect ourselves and others as well, others' feelings as well. Let's value each other. Okay, and mood swings. I know they can trigger you, but you will have to balance. Ego may give you lots of excuses. Please don't buy those excuses. You know what I have done with my routine recently. I used to sleep by 8, wake up by 5. That was very wonderful routine of mine. I used to follow my yoga. Even if I'm unable to visit, I used to do at home and meditate, and we all together, even my daughter, my husband, together. Suddenly, because of this huge shift, what I have done recently is I force myself. I wake up by at least 7:38, and have black coffee, cup of black coffee, breathing exercises, and I do it forcefully because I know there is no other option left. This is the only best option. Do it for yourself. Now that you have come to know that the energy is intense, and I must tell you this going to stay, and your job is to stick to your authentic power, your true self. You are way more powerful than you know, and it's high time. It's a calling that focus on your strength. It is there within you, it is there within me. So it's time to bring the strength out and accept it. And that can only happen, you know, when we actually take the initiative to do something, to come out of it. I'm not asking you to fight against the storm. It's not possible. You better sit down and let it pass. I'm asking you to be more stronger, which you already have within, and that can be done with practicing meditation. Trust me, it is the only best option. Meditation. Grounding is compulsory. Please do grounding. Stay connected with Mother Earth. Okay. Do at least 10 to 15 minutes meditation. वो जो हम एक्स्ट्रा वॉरी करते हैं ना, वो टाइम पे हम रिप्लेस कर देते हैं, हम मेडिटेशन कर लेते हैं उस वक्त. जैसे कि in the morning when you wake up, maybe you don't worry, that's not the time. You wake up, you do your daily routine. Do one thing, just add 10 minutes meditation. You will get on YouTube, and there are many other meditation apps as well. If you search, you will get. Do it. Make it your priority. Honestly, nobody else can help us now unless we do it for ourselves. We are the only one. We are the best support. Yes, the other one that I have heard is two things. Firstly is chakra balancing is very, very, very important now. You can chant the chakra mantras you will get on the internet, and the most important for which we are here is expanding our heart chakra. Forgiveness, love, unconditional love. We are made out of love. So that can be only done when you focus upon your heart, when you let your heart chakra open, like activate your heart chakra. That you can do by regular practicing right breathing techniques. That too you can get on internet, on YouTube. Also the yam, the heart chakra mantra, you can daily practice chant, in the morning or any time when you are free. Just sit and do, please do. Those who have been sending me messages, to you as well, make sure you do. It will help you. And that breathing exercises, that helps a lot. Okay, one more important thing that I have received during channeling messages, that you will feel more intuitive. You will receive messages, you will doubt, I know, because maybe this is happening for the first time with you. Do not doubt. Remember, the first intuition is always the correct one. So, and you will feel more sensitive with smells. That too is okay. It's a beautiful filtration process happening. Do not doubt on the process. Let it happen. Surrender yourself. Let it happen for you. And so you might receive very, very, very important message of your life. So I would request you always be very open to receive, and be very aware of firstly the synchronicities and the everyday signs. You better write it down or ask the angels during your meditation, what is it that I really, really needed to know for the day. You will receive messages, and then yes, remember this energy going to increase, the intense energy going to increase. For that, I'm asking you to secure yourself, balance your energies, sit. You don't have to jump from your seat to just help someone else. They will do their own. Don't get up from your sit. Okay. What else we have? So better be prepared. Okay, you will receive more messages during this time, I've told you. Okay, and remember this, we all are witnessing this time because we were waiting for this time. You remember I told you that we choose our parents, we choose our name, because this karmic scale, we are here to, you know, cleanse, to heal, to improve, for the awakening, a lot of other things, lot more. So your true powers wanted to come back to you. Please ground yourself. I told you, rebuilding happening very fast. Okay, the chakra balancing, make sure you do, and that will help you the most. So this is what I have received and I have wrote, and today I have shuffled my guardian angel tarot cards, and this is what I have received for you. There are two cards. One is embrace those around you. This is a time of great spiritual growth for you, making it even more important to your surrounding and for others who love you and share your beliefs. Be willing to accept help from others. Okay. You could find comfort in traditional solutions, or your heart may long to try out new ideas. Help your wife, help your children, help your husband. Give each other time. Value your family. You are mostly with them and you are supposed to do this. No matter what they say, it's their karmas, it's their lessons, their learning. Do not judge, I told you. Do not blame, do not be in guilt. Okay, this is very important. So the other card, which is very beautiful, which says inner strength. You have great courage and kindness. It is by default. You may not realize how strong and powerful you are, but there is no problem you can't solve. The compassion you so freely give to others must also be given to yourself. Forgive others. You have been holding on a lot of burden. If you are having a lot of shoulder pain or neck pain, it is due to that. Forgive people. This is how you will set yourself free. Love yourself. Stand strong in your conviction if the right answer to tell someone is no. If something you don't really want to do, be polite, be humble and say no. You can take stand for your belief. You can say no. So what we have got for this July is, no matter what, no matter how tired you feel, your only remedy, your only medicine is your strength. Focus upon your strength, and that can be done doing regular meditations. At least start with minimum 5 minutes of meditation, then 10, increase it slowly. Do this, write good things about yourself. Balancing your energy is compulsory here. Understand this is going to be more, this energy going to be intense. So better take care of yourself and do not judge anyone, blame anyone, don't be in guilt. This was strongly something told to me. Do not judge anyone, do not judge yourself, and don't feel guilty about anything. This is happening with all of us. So you are your support. It's okay to find a guru. It is okay to ask help from a healer. It is okay to talk about situations with your husband, with your father, with your maybe son or daughter or sister or brother, whoever. But the best person is you. So choose the right option to balance your energy. Please take care of yourself. Lots of your life and blessings. Bye.